What up, people? What a guan, what a guan. So Bennett here. Hit that like button up, please. Wanna deal with, wanna deal with. Word never ends, you know. Never, 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 never. As I can see, a trigonometry, typical grade 9 monthly test. So I could go and make it now. Again, I'm encouraging you guys to go ahead and share, like, and you can work ahead to, you know the shop score already. What thing now go ever water down. You get what I say? Just crazy work we have put in. People eventually have to forward it and do them thing. You get what I say? Yeah. So we start it that way, you know. Alright, so first part of it is multiple choice, and it say, what name is given to the longest side of a right angled triangle? Is it the opposite, the adjacent, the hypotenuse, or the diagonal? You got my son, Sanjay Bennett. Alright, so that is known as the hypotenuse. We got the entire STMC family. Yeah. Alright, so number 2 says, the two short sides of a right angle triangle are 6 and 8 centimeters. How long is the hypotenuse? Alright, so just give you guys a picture how you can make. Now the hypotenuse, so we can just call this 1 6. Now the hypotenuse is known as the longest side, and it is opposite to the right angle. So it means that this side square plus this side square is equal to this side square. So we just make it now. 8 square. Alright, so this would give what? 36 plus 64. So Lisa, big up yourself. Alright, so this would be 100. So it means that on this side you have 100 squares. So what square would give you that? So you find the square root, and this is 10. So number 2 is D. Alright, let's look at 3. The diagonal of a rectangle is 25 centimeters long. The length of the rectangle is 24 centimeters. How wide is the rectangle? Again, guys, you know Mr. Bennett's time. I like to draw a diagram so you guys can see what a one from what a one. So you guys should know what a rectangle is. Alright. So let me say the diagonal, right? So let us use the one here. There are two diagonals. It could be this one or it could be this one. Let me just draw it down here. The one here. So this one is 25. And they see that the length, now the length of it would be right here. This and this have the same length. So this is 24 and this is 24. Alright. I think I should go up so you guys can see what's happening. Alright, so this is 24 and they ask us to find how wide, which is the width. So this is it. Now we know that for a rectangle, a right angle is at 4 sides. So right now we know, so this forms a right angle triangle. Let me just try highlight so me and stop. We are taking to the next level, you know. So this is the triangle that we're working in. Just focusing on this part that is in red, right? Yeah. So we're focusing on this. So we basically have the right angle triangle here. So this would be the hypotenuse. So it's 25 square minus 24 square. Because it's the hypotenuse, we subtract. So that gives us 625. 525 square is 625. 24 square is 576. Alright. When we subtract, we get 49. Who can name that? The king name that, you know. And then we find the square root, which is equal to 7 centimeters. This time they did give us a unit. So it is D. Alright, so that's number 3. Pick up everybody from my Linux Benny channel. And when they from my channel, they know it's awesomeness. Yeah. Let's look at number 4. I had to draw the ugly triangle here. My apologies. Length of FD is, so FD is this side, so it would be, it's the hypotenuse, so it's 7 square. Since it's the hypotenuse, we add plus 4 square, so that's 49 plus 16. And based on the options, we add, and it is the square root of 65. They didn't require us to work it out, so A would be our answer. All right, the longest side of a right angle triangle is 20 centimeters, and one of the other side is 16. Find the length of the other side. So we just cannot draw one triangle. It's very important to me for you to draw your triangle. Once you have a vivid thing, it becomes so much easier. So the longest side are 20, so this would be 20. Any other side are 16. Alright. This will be 16 also. Alright, so we're gonna subtract, because using the once we are given the hypotenuse, we're just gonna say 20 square minus 16 square. Alright. Go ahead and work that before me, guys. Hit that like button up, peeps. One not deal with. How everybody coping? Yeah. Thing you know, man, no peeps. I want to know, man. I want to know. Alright. So this would be 400 minus 256. Right? So we're gonna subtract 256. 400 minus that of 4. 4, yes. 4 right now. Alright. So that's 144. And then we find the square root of 144. Which number multiplied by itself give you 144, and that would be 12. So our answer for number 5 is D. Alright, so I'm going to alright, number 6 says, which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? Right? Or Pythagorean triplet. Alright, so what it means that these you get a whole number, and we know that 3, 4, 5 is 1, 5, 12, 13, 7. We just did this one, so that leaves us with D. Alright, so number 6 would be D. Let's look at 7. Which side is the hypotenuse? And that would be FD or DF. Whatever. Or it's DF, yeah, doesn't matter. Once is this side right here, opposite to the right angle. This is our hypotenuse, right? And that is the longest side. Let's look at number 8. So far, so good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Try them, you know, guys. Try them. Number 8 in the triangle above, which is this. FG is equal to 3. Let us put in that. FG would be 3. And FD is 5, which is the hypotenuse. And it asks us to find this side. All right, so we know that it would be 5 squared minus 3 squared. It's a triplet. So we're always gonna get 25. All right, so it's 25. Always gonna get 4. 25 minus 9. That's the square root of 16. So therefore, it is equal to 4. As we just did up here, 3, 4, 5. I have 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13, 25, 24, and 7. And that is just some of them. Number 9 now can be tricky. Find the square root of 65 to 2 significant figures. We're going to do without calculator. Look. Alright, so I'm going to assume say it at this. So it's a, if you say that this is a very real number, when you find the square root, right? And then now 2 significant figure, just want 2 significant, so 2 figures. So that will be 8 point. Alright, so round up this. So this become 1. So 8.1. So that would be 8.1. So we're going to go with C. There's no calculator allowed. So we don't know peeps, we don't know what that one. What is the length of DG, right? And that would be this side right here. So because you know, it would be 7 square plus minus because it's the hypotenuse. Alright. So this 7 square minus 4 square. And then that would be 49 minus 16. And that would be 33. Remember, it's 33 squared, so we're going to find the square root of it. So that would be D. Alright, guys, so far so good. Let's go, let's go. Put my name for my thing, you know, man. My name for my thing, because they must steal my thing. So at least if they must steal it, them spread my name now. Spread my name now. But we don't care what the fame, you know, we just want to help people, you know. You have some people that want to keep no work at all. They want to keep no work at all, and they want to be the best. Alright, so section 2 now. Read section 2 carefully. Alright, the diagram below not drawn to scale shows a journey of a ship which started at point P. So right here is a start point, alright, and continued 15 kilometer due south to port Q and a further 20 kilometer due west to port R. So I guess they want us to complete the drawing. So we start right here. See what they say now. Oh, let me just say this. This is basically north, south, the east, and the our west. So I could just put that on my compass now. Yeah, not too jelly. Alright, so boom. Guess what them to know? I'm say 15 kilometer due south. So right yourself 15. So if I dry, if I something else for me dry. Scale it too near enough, please, but it can work, right? and then the point. So this is the point Q. All right, if we left from Q now, no? Which direction from Q? I can read it again. And a further 20 kilometer due west. All right, so west to the left, to the left, to the left. Yes, and that's 20 kilometer. All right, so we're getting somewhere, guys. So this is 15 and this is 20. And then they say no to a point R. So this is R. So here we have it. We can just draw the diagram, complete the triangle. Oh God, those ability I can't draw. How can I go drawing that? All right, so it's a copy and label. I hit that, you know. I hit that. We do it already. Yeah, deep on that. No chance that. Get the 2 marks there. All right, so we show the marks and now say calculate PR. So we're going to calculate from P to R the shortest distance of the ship from port where the journey started. So guys, if you notice, a same thing we do from B, you know, right? So it would be the Pythagoras Theorem. So it's this length we're calculating. So it's 20 square plus 15 square, and we're done. All right, watch out now, watch out now, watch out now. Let's go. Probably should do calculation here, so. Yeah, man. I'm on to see triangle. So we complete the diagram up here, so. So this is 1. We complete the diagram already. So we are going to do 2 here, so. In this space, 1. All right, so I do calculation. That's more you guys to see the diagram. No funky thing, no funky thing. So we're looking for the hypotenuse. So it would be 20 square minus 15 square. And that would be 400. Why may I have minus? Plus is the hypotenuse. And this is 225. Hey, sometimes one don't, you know them thing what I'm at. 400 plus that, 625. After class. So this now look like 25. Alright, so the length would be 25. So the length of this right here is 25 centimeter. Alright, so there we have our next 2 marks. Let's go down and get the rest. We go down to the rest now. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of the Spinning channel. You are appreciated. Please enjoy as you share with your friends. And we'll go on to the next one. Oh my. This is okay, the end, you know. This is okay, the end, you know, peeps. Oh. Alright. So I'm write my name first, meanwhile, because you don't know. Go and read it, guys, and try it ahead of me. That's the main thing. I want you guys to try to find an error, or if I make an error, you guys can find stuff. Alright. I could read what one. A ladder of length 13 meters is placed with its foot on a horizontal floor and its top rests against a vertical wall. So the vertical wall, as shown in the diagram below, the top of the ladder is 5 meters. Top of the ladder is 5 meters from the floor. Okay, so I guess these are the 5. And then it's a calculate in meter. Calculate in meter the horizontal distance from the foot. Oh, so this way I look for. Alright, so I'm come out this X. The distance here I look for. Okay, see what them give it. A ladder of length 13. Oh, length, yes, 13. The length of the ladder 13. It's a long ladder, you know, peeps. And then them say, top, from the top to that, a 5. But this kind of fishy, you know, peeps. Oh, meat, you know. It's the kind of fishy, because I lay down up on the top of this. A little space there, so. And them say the wall of 5. Anyway, if we calculate the 4, so we could just work with them one more. So we get the hypotenuse, so it will be 13 square minus 5 square. And then that's 169 minus 25. That gives us 144. And then we find the square root of 144, which is 12. So I love this question. It's very realistic. So right here would be 12. All right. And then it was here. Let's move on to the next one. I don't know if shop's going on. Or we come to the end of it. Look at the ending of it. And this would be 4 marks. All right. So I guess it's for the interpretation of it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I really appreciate you all. Please ensure that you guys are keeping safe. Guys, please hit the like button if you have not done so. So I really appreciate all of you. Pick up on yourself, keep safe. So Benita.